A lot of the times on this exam, they're going to give you a system of equations. For instance, they might give you something like a plus b is equal to 2, b plus c is equal to 4, and a plus c is equal to 7. Then the final question is going to ask you to find the value of a plus b plus c. Now again, notice that they're not requiring you to figure out what a is, or b, or c is separately. We want to figure out this entire equation, a plus b plus c, and so really we don't really want to break them up. So taking a look at our system of equations, some of you guys will be tempted to do the substitution method, where we do something like this. A is equal to 2 minus b. We plug this a value in there, so we have 2 minus b plus c is equal to 7, and then use these two equations as a system. But you see that gets kind of complicated, and since we have, in this case, 3 equations, it's not going to be as nice. So let's not do it that way. I'm going to rewrite the 3 original equations that they gave. A plus b equals 2, b plus c is equal to 4, and a plus c is equal to 7. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stack them just like I have now. And if they give them to you horizontally, make sure you do stack them. And I'm going to either add or subtract straight down. In this case, I'm going to add. If I add straight down, I have 2 a's, I have 2 b's, and also 2 c's. And if I add up all these constants, that's 2 plus 4 plus 7, which is 13. Now I have 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to 13. And what I'm trying to, my objective here is to figure out what a plus b plus c is. Well, how do I go from here to there? Simply by just factoring out a 2. So a plus b plus c is going to equal 13 over 2. Final answer. That's going to be a lot easier, again, rather than just finding what a is, b is, c is, then plugging that back into there, and there. So anytime you have a system of equations, make sure that you're working it in a smart way. Don't immediately rush into the substitution or elimination method. See if you can stack them. Add straight down. If that doesn't help, try subtracting straight down, and more likely than not, one of those two methods is going to really help.